braised rice is a homely dish made by many moms, right? Today, let's cook a fully vegetarian version together.
That's right, this braised rice recipe is truly convenient and delicious. All you need is a rice cooker at home. Just press the cook button, go handle other tasks, and then it's time to eat. Ingredients: long bean, corn kernels, cabbage, rice. Long beans, washed, with both ends trimmed, cut into small pieces. Set aside. For those who enjoy the texture of long beans, cutting them into equal lengths is also a great option. Cabbage, washed and torn into small pieces. Shredding is also fine, depending on preference. First, stir-fry the long beans and cabbage until fragrant, then add the raw rice and stir-fry together. Stir-frying the ingredients and raw rice first enhances the flavor. This step adds depth and aroma to the dish. Your finished braised rice will taste even better. For seasoning, I added vegetarian oyster sauce, salt, and pepper. Add mushroom powder according to your preference. I added 2 teaspoons of salt. Personally, I think braised rice tastes better with a stronger flavor, as the vegetables themselves are not salty, so it won't be overly salty. Finally, add corn kernels and pour in an appropriate amount of water. Then start braising the rice. When cooking braised rice, the amount of water needed is usually slightly less than when cooking plain white rice. Generally, the recommended rice-to-water ratio is between 1:1 and 1:1.2, depending on the absorbency of the rice and the water content of the vegetables. If the vegetables release a lot of moisture, you can reduce the water slightly to avoid making the rice too soft. The braised rice is ready. Now, you can add dark soy sauce to color the rice and sesame oil to enhance the aroma. Mix well, and it's time to eat.
Wow, just looking at it makes me hungry. It smells so good.
A steaming pot of fragrant, glossy long bean braised rice is the most comforting satisfaction. Go grab a bowl and dig in while it's hot. This braised rice has a richly layered texture. The king oyster mushrooms are springy and chewy, the long beans are crisp and subtly sweet, and the cabbage is tender and flavorful. The rice absorbs the savory essence of the ingredients and sauce, making each grain plump and glossy. The overall flavor is balanced and savory, with the natural taste of the vegetables blending perfectly with the aroma of the mushrooms. Every bite is a warm and satisfying experience. Long beans are rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, which help promote digestion, boost immunity, and maintain electrolyte balance. Their low-calorie, high-fiber nature is beneficial for weight management and blood sugar control. Consuming them in moderation provides the body with plant-based protein and various trace elements. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and dietary fiber, which help boost immunity, promote digestion, and support bone health. It also contains antioxidants like sulforaphane, which may have anti-inflammatory and cancer-preventive properties. Low in calories and high in water content, it is ideal for weight management and overall wellness. Corn kernels are rich in dietary fiber, B vitamins, and antioxidants like lutein. They provide sustained energy, support digestive health, and help maintain vision. Naturally sweet and low in fat, they add both nutrition and flavor to meals. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.